Hi everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and Mail Call. Hey, I put out a flag or whatever saying I could use some water bottle caps, and I gotta thank everybody uh, that's been giving me water bottle caps. I go through these things by the boatload. I use them for mixing paints, for putting my glue in, just general stuff. My resin goes in there. But anytime I'm mixing more than one color, I mix them in those. That way I don't have a bunch of it, and I can just toss it when I'm done. And it's real convenient. But Dave Huff told me he's going to send me some, and he said, open the box. There's more in there than what meets the eye. I didn't open this yet. All I did was cut the tape because there was no way I was going to do that on the video. I tried and then had to start over, and I cut it open so I could at least get it open because this thing wasn't going to come open on a trip. Trust me. So he hooked me up, man. I'm telling you, I use these things by the bushel. I really do. And he said there's more in here than just the caps, so that's why I'm pulling a bunch out. He printed me. There's rims and tires. Check that out. Wow. Are you serious? That's awesome. That is very awesome. I think I'm going to just start pulling the paper out because he said there's something else in here. And it's wrapped up really nice. Geez, oh Pete, I never thought look at all of them in here. I never thought about it, but bottle caps make pretty good packing material. But let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Look at this. I am psyched. I got to get this out of the bag, but I don't want to mess it up. Fitz Ravel, 34 Ford. I have a 34 Ford too. Cool. How awesome is that going to be? Oh my gosh. Geez, oh Pete, thank you so much. This is awesome. Oh man, I'm serious. I'm very excited here. I can't wait. And like I said, I have the donor kit right there. So I am good to go. Cool. Thank you so much. Oh man, and the rims and tires. Look at how nice those are. Jeez, oh Pete. We're going to, oh, so cool. All right, I'm going to pause right now, collect myself, put all the caps back in here and figure out where I'm going to put this so I don't mess it up. I'll be right back. All right, next up, my nephew Doug brought the family over yesterday and he hooked me up. These are a little bit bigger, which is nice because I can, for bigger mixes and things like that, I can use the heck out of these. And there's probably, oh my gosh, 50 of them in here, if not more. So that is awesome. Thank you, Doug. One more box here. I sliced it open, but that's as far as I went. I'm going to have to back you out. This is from Bruce's Eclectic World. And he said he was sending me a goodie package. So you never know with Bruce what you're going to get. But right on top, more water bottle lids. I'm going to be good for a while. This is great. I was down to 3 of them, and these 2 last night I washed because I needed them. So he's got 2 boxes inside the box. Let me move this out of the way. We're going to grab one randomly. All right, let's see what we got here. It's in a resin bottle. Whoa. Check this out. Bruce was busy printing. Wow. All right, let's just start with this box, and we'll move on from there. He's got them labeled, thank gosh. Wow, look at these. Wagon wheel. Oh, I like these rims, too. Check out that rim in there. Nice. Geez, Bruce, these are sharp. It's got the center hubs, the rims, the four mutters. Wow. We got more. I think these are a little bigger. No, I think they might be the same size. Oh, look at the rims in these. How sharp is that? The hubs. Cool. I don't have my goggles on. I can't read that. But look at how nice those are printed. We'll make those raised whites for sure. Jeez. Wow. I'm going to open this up. I don't do much with resin, but these are sharp. Man, MTs. These are really nice. Look at this. It's got the rotors. How cool is that? Ooh, and I'm just launched one here. Well, if I put that right back in the bag. Oh, it's got the brakes. Check that out. The smalls for the front. Nice looking rims. I love those. Boy, that Kaleido aluminum will look good on those, won't it? Come back with just a dry brush. Shoot. Look at that. Those are sharp. And then, buried in here, I'm going to grab a tweezers. Pause. I'm going to pull this out of the bag with the tweezers. Check out the calipers. Man, they even have the bolts in them. That's so cool. I'll tell you what, you guys with your 3D printers blow me away. That detail is amazing in there. I'm telling you, that's awesome. I'm going to have to learn how to work with resin. Now, this is one box. Oh, shoot, wait a minute. He sent me a pill box, too. It says wire looms. Oh, yes. I will have fun threading these bad boys up. Geez, there's a whole bottle of them. There's enough to do a fleet worth of cars. Wow. I'm not going to put that cotton back in there because I'll end up losing them in the cotton. Here's box number 2. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to start. I feel like a kid in a candy store right here. What do we got here? Rims kind of fit. Jeep tires. Needs fitted to each tire. Okay, well, that's easy enough. Oh, but look at that. Holy macaroni. I love the wagon wheel. And he said each one needs to be fit. Oh, yeah, I can see they're just a little tiny snug in there. That's not a problem, but you got to wear your mask. Nice. He loaded me. He must have been printing for days. Check that out. Super Swamper. That's sharp. That is sharp. Now, these dropped in. Kind of. I'm not going to push that, but that's cool. That is really cool. And then the center hubs. Try to get one of these out. And then there's another bag. Check that out. I don't know how you guys do it. I really don't. That's cool. Jeep Rubicon, Revell, and other front and rear custom bumpers and fenders. Flares, custom front bumper with, oh, cool, with winch. Brush guard, I added to them. Nice. Oh, we got to jump in here, too. All kinds of stuff in here. Look at that. That is awesome. Man, I wish I had that on my other Jeep that I mudded up. That's crazy. Big fender flares. A toolbox. He's got all kinds of stuff in here. Nice battery. Look at that. Nice. I guess Mark's going into the modern age here, huh? Nice stick shift. Oh my gosh, look at how delicate that is. Wow, I bet you know what? I'm going to pause for a second. I paused to put my visor on. That's his Hearst in there, right in the resin. Oh, cool. Jeez, oh, Pete. I'm going to have to get a couple of Jeeps to use these up. One without the winch. I love that. That looks like the back. A couple more batteries. A winch just by itself. Man, we could clean this up, and I bet you I could get some wire in there. That's pretty dang cool. Yeah, there's a couple of winches, a couple of shifters. Look at this one's already clean. Look at that. Look at how delicate that shifter is. That's crazy. Man, oh man. All right, let's put this back in the bag here so I don't mess it up. Yeah, I guess I'm doing another Jeep. Jeez, oh Pete. Bumpers, tires, rims. Yeah, I got enough. I'm going to have to get a couple of Jeeps. Next time I go to the show, I'm going to grab a bunch of them. Between that and and this, I got my winter's work cut out for me. So thank you guys very much. With that, let's not forget, if I can get my mouse to work, to say thank you to Gallery for everything they have done. Don't forget, Grandpa Mark and the coupon code get you 10% off your order. Let's thank our veterans, our first responders, and our active duty people, because they put it on the line every day for us. And I salute each and every one of you. And with that, I'm going to have to go start sorting things out. And I'll talk to you later. So y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching.